sasabi, okay? Ito, gaano man kalaki kaliit, guys. Pero ulitin ko, merong pag-level up, may advancement, or even improvements when it comes to your career and income, love life. Ipasok na natin kasi 4 of Wands ay narito, sabi ko nga yung happiness, yung love, yung celebration. Andito po yun lahat. Or maybe isang indikasyon yan to celebrate, okay? Okay, so maybe this is a sign to celebrate, Leo. Celebrate your small wins. Ayan, yung ilang laban na patuloy mong naipapanalo sa buhay. Kasi minsan hindi na natin na-acknowledge yung ating kakayanan, yung ating nagagawa na tatapos. Hindi ba? Gaano man yan parang kay bagal or hindi mo makita yung progreso agad. Pero maybe isang sign ito